Beauties, it's me, Allegra Dolls. I thought I would hop in today and share a few packages that I got in my P.O. box. I was gonna unbox them the other day with you beauties, but after opening everything for the dogs that I got and then Trisha's gifts, I was like, I know you guys don't have a year and a day to come and hang out with me, so I figured tonight we'll just unbox them. I don't have that many boxes. I thought I had more, but I think I've misplaced them. I'm not sure what is going on because I've got the Christmas gifts and then I have to move everything around from room to room because we had to, you know, move everything to put the tree here. So things are a hot AF mess. So anyway guys, let's just jump right into it and I'll unbox these packages for today. And if this is your first time here, I hope you'll subscribe and be entered into all my giveaways. I have tons of pop-up giveaways, all kinds of good times, fun unboxing, tutorials, all kinds of good stuff. Also, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. So without further ado, let's just jump right into today's video. So guys, I have to tell you, I did unbox this already in another video. This is something I was going to unbox with you tonight, but then I was about to do my makeup and I saw it was a package from Colourpop. It is the Wine Not collection, I believe it's called, or the Wine Not palette, or Vino. I'm not exactly sure guys. I saw a bunch of wording about wine. I used the collection though. OMG, I do have a video coming soon. So I did make this look with the palette, the blush. Actually, this is the Selena lip. This is the MAC Selena lip. So, but other than that, this is definitely the palette, the blush, and I think I use of course the cream gel liners. So I'll have that video for you guys soon, but that collection is OMG, another level. I actually thought that, you know, wine colors, I do have a few palettes with the kind of wine colors in them, like some Huda palettes seem to like have those kind of similar colors, these kind of, you know, purpley grapes and this deep Merlot shades. But OMG, I'm not even joking guys, wait till you see the video. I just tapped it onto my eye and it was so intense, so gorgeous, and I feel actually so festive now. These colors are just so gorgeous. So I hope you can see the blush is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And I am going to have a giveaway too in that video. I'm going to post it very soon as I edit it. And I'm going to be giving away some items from that collection. So stay tuned. It'll be up soon. Hopefully it's a very long video, but maybe I could like chop it up because I kept talking to you guys. And so it wound up being like an hour. So I got to, of course, edit that all off, right? So anyway, let me show you what I got today, what I didn't unbox already. So a lot of you guys, like me, I was super excited to see what's in this package, and they said open it on the 16th, so that has come and gone and I still have not opened it. I didn't have a chance, but let's open it now, you guys. So I just unboxed just the end cap, and let's see what's inside. Ooh, guys, what is this? It looks like a giant lipstick. Lash Idol, exclusively at Ulta 12/16 and in stores 12/26. So what is this, guys? Lash Idol from Lancome. Oh, this is so nice. It looks like, I guess it's a giant mascara. That's so awesome, from Lancome. So let's see here, guys. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. It's so much fun. New goals 2021 is your year. Hit your lash goals. Oh my god, that's true, guys. 2021 is gonna be our year. Watch. I'm claiming it now. Let's claim it right now. Let's say it out loud. Let's, what is it, like verbalize it? What is that? We'll speak it into existence. This is gorgeous. So look at how huge it is in this rose gold packaging. And then here is the mascara. Yes. Wow. Okay, I wish I would put this on right now, but if I'm sure you guys, I don't know if you can see because, you know, my cameras are so wonky, but I have on lashes, I have on tons of mascara because I was trying to do a extreme glam transformation, so I put on way more makeup than usual. But I'll be back and we'll try, I won't try this, we'll try it together so we can see exactly how it comes out. But look at that. Oh my god. So this is gonna be at Ulta. So let me see here, where does this go? So I'm gonna put it back in here for now, just till we try it again together. So thank you so much to Lancome for sending this to me. I can't wait to try that out. That looks so amazing. Let's see, I didn't write anything else, but this is gorgeous packaging. Oh, packaging is like my weakness. So like I've said before, I'm turning into a hoarder. I'm gonna be a hoarder for packaging. So then guys, I'm so excited. I got this package here, but I did see on the outside, I don't know exactly what it is, but I'm hoping that it's what I think it is. but I'm not exactly sure. Yes, it is, guys. It's the Chi has come out with a new volumizing blow dryer brush. So I'm so excited to use this. I cannot wait to try this out. They did send this to me in PR, guys. And so this is their Chi Volumizer 4-in-1 blow dry brush. And I am so addicted to blow dry brushes now. So I can't wait. This one I believe has advanced ion generator, reduces frizz, increases shine, and minimizes flyaways. It has ceramic technology inside and 4 interchangeable attachment heads. So I believe one of the heads is a paddle brush attachment. Oh my god, I can't wait. A nozzle, a diffuser, and then also the round brush. The round type of brush here has nylon bristles. So I'm so excited to try that because I have the Revlon volumizing blow dry brush, and actually I've been using that, and I actually found some new tips and tricks kind of that I've been doing with it, and that's how I've been doing my hair now. And I did learn some at-home blow dry tips, so I'm gonna come back with another video and show you those tips because they are truly life-changing and gives you the most amazing at-home blowout. So I've been doing that to my hair now, and I'm so happy. I just feel so much more better about myself because a lot of times I was not, my hair was like not I'm not a hairdresser, so my hair was always, you know, I've been having to work on getting my hair to where I want it to look like. You know, I do all my own hair coloring, everything. So at-home blowouts I wasn't the best at. I didn't have the results that I really wanted, but lately I have discovered these tips and tricks that I will be back and share with you, and I'm so happy with, I could not be more happier with my hair. It's just turned into total glass hair now with these tips that I'm going to show you guys in another video, but I cannot wait to try those tips and tricks with the Chi blow dry brush. So I will be back and I'll share that with you guys very soon. I can't wait because they're really, for me, I don't know if you guys have seen these tips already, but for me they're life-changing because my hair was never this sleek and shiny before. You know, it would take me a lot of product to get it shiny looking, and you know, it looked good sometimes, but sometimes it was like hit or miss. But now I got it down pat, plus now it's super glass-like. It's very silky now, and it's just from these tips and tricks that I learned. So I will be back to share them with you guys, and I hope you enjoy them too. I hope they work for you too, but I will be back very soon, guys, and I'll show you that. So one more thing that I just wanted to show you guys, I did order this and I'm so happy that it came. So this came to my PO box, but it's these LED tea lights, and I'm so happy, guys. These are so hard for me to find in store, but then now you can just get anything on Amazon, and there you go. You don't have to look around the store, you don't have to go from store to store. It's such a life changer. So I got these little battery operated, they're LED lights, and so, oh, maybe you can't see because my lights are so bright, but then they flicker, and then you just have, oh, it's not going to show up for you guys, but they look like candles, but there's no flame, there's no fire, and there's no mess, and you don't have to worry, because a lot of times I have left my candles on and gone out. They look so beautiful in your house, and they just give so much ambiance, and they just make everything so festive. Make such a huge difference in your house. And I got them all over my house, and I got all of these here. I think there's over 10 here. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I think there's 14 here, and this was like $10, I believe. So that's such an amazing deal. I can't imagine finding a discount like that anywhere else but on Amazon. So that's amazing. So I'm just so happy we can always find all these great deals and steals and hard to find items and things of that nature on Amazon now. So that's pretty much it, guys. Here's Mr. Man. He came to say hi, guys. Guys, his foot was hurting him the other day from the snow, and he was limping, and he was lifting his leg up, and my husband was so scared. My husband thought, like, is he going paralyzed again? Is he gonna need surgery again? But thank God, he was fine. The next day I prayed, of course, and then the next day I said, please God, let him be able to walk, because he couldn't walk again. So it was terrifying. We were up all night. We were so stressed out, thinking that maybe something had happened and he had gone, you know, was gonna start going paralyzed again. But today we woke up, and like I said, I prayed all night long, and today I woke up and he's walking perfect again. So I'm so thankful. Oh my God, you guys, it's just like, we're so scared we're gonna lose him now after all that we've been through with him, after we almost lost him. I even think about how he was in the hospital for 4 days, guys. Like, he has never been, I've never been without him for even like an hour. Like, he was always with me. Now I do leave him home because I used to take him in the car. I used to take him everywhere with me, so we were never apart his whole life until that he had the surgery. And then now I do leave him home because we're afraid that, like, what if we stop short or even, you know, get into a car accident and then he would go flying and it would be really bad for him. So we leave him home now. But anyway, we have to stay positive and stay focused and keep, you know, praying. So I'll be back, you guys, and I do have this video. I hopefully you guys send me positive vibes that I could get this video up in time, because this collection is phenomenal. It's so good. I truly could not believe it. This is the wine collection from the Why Not collection from Colourpop, and this is the Selena lip from MAC, her Selena collection. I'm so addicted to Selena now, more than ever. Now I wish I had another one of these lips. I don't want anything to happen to it because I think I only have one, and I just love Selena so much. So this is the Selena lip, and then this is the Colourpop Wine Blush, the Why Not palette, and a few other of goodies from the collection. But I'll be back and I'll have that tutorial up hopefully soon. But that's such an amazing collection. If you had your eye on it, if you were thinking about it, if you were on the fence about it, it's really amazing. It's like no other wine shades that I have, and I was really shocked. So definitely, if you're interested, it's really amazing. So I also do have my Colourpop coupon code. It's 5Allegra. If you do order from Colourpop, you can use my coupon, my discount code, my Colourpop discount code 5Allegra, and you'll save on your Colourpop order. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you're doing good. I hope that you're having a happy holiday season, and I hope that you're staying warm and cozy. So staying safe, warm and cozy, all that good stuff. So anyway, guys, I love you so much. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this little tiny video and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram if you're not already. And we're having more giveaways coming soon, so be on the lookout. So I love you guys so much. I hope you're all doing good, and I'll see you soon. Bye.